we are going to build this bundle. When you add to cart, and this bundle will be added along with all the products with different quantity 2, 3 and 1, and you can change the quantity as well of the product. You can multiply the bundles, and if you go to the checkout, you will see the cart transform over here and all the prices and the bundle component. So let's see how we can do that. Let me delete this and go to that product, this bundle product. This bundle product has one product of this, two product of this, and one product of this, and three product of this, and one product of this. Total 8 items, and the total of these item is 255. So how you can do that? First of all, we need to install the app. So how you are going to install the app? You will see Shopify app in it, and you will install the app, and it will ask you what kind of app. You will say build a React router app and select TypeScript, and then you will select your partner account, and after that you will create a new app and name of your app something like bundle components expander, and you can name it anything, and then you will hit enter and it will install the app. And after that, once the app is installed, you will type Shopify app generate extension, and once you generate the extension, it will ask you what kind of extension do you need. You will say cart transform, and you will give the name of your extension something like bundle expander and hit enter, and it will install the extension in your app. I have already done that, so let me show you. So this is my bundle expander extension. Over here we have source folder, and then we have a GraphQL query and the run function. Okay, before writing the GraphQL and run function, go to shopify.app.toml and make sure you have a write cart transform permissions. Okay, so you will say write cart transform permission. We don't need this. So scope write product write cart transform, and you will create a new metafield product.metafield field bundle dash price per component dot function. This is the namespace and this is the key, and name a bundle component data, and you can add the description if you like. Type JSON and access.admin merchant read and write access. Okay, once you do that, you need to start the app by typing npm run dev and then open GraphQL and press G. You will be able to open GraphQL, and then you will run this query meditation with the bundle expander handle, and it will activate your cart transform. Our could not enable cart transform because it is already registered. So I have already registered, that's why I get this message. But if you are running for the first time, you will not get this message. Your cart transform function will be registered. So after doing that, go to the products and which product you would like to make the bundle, and go to that specific metafield, and you will have to put the JSON something like this. We have variant ID, and you will add the price, what the price of this variant, and the quantity, how many you want to add in this quantity, and the product handle. We need product handle to display the component over here. With the variant ID, we cannot get the information about the product image and etc. So that's why we are adding the product handle, so we can fetch the information about the variant, and from here you can add as many as you need in the bundle. right now I have 5 products, 5 variants in one bundle, and you can change the quantity, you can change the price, whatever you would like, and then you will display them over here. You need to custom liquid code, and I have this liquid code which will display all the products over here. You can change the design whatever you like. So I put everything over here in the GitHub, so you can copy and paste the code from there. So just clear your concept how it is working. So once you add this code, it will display the product over here, and then you can display them over here and you can add them into the cart. Okay, so whenever you can add them into the cart, they will show like bundle expander. So if you click that, you can see over here, and if you go to the checkout, you can see the cart transform. We have 8 items. So let's try to quickly create a new bundle. So let's copy this and leave the page and add a product, my new bundle, and simply you don't have to add the price here. You can calculate the price, total price, what will be the total price of the bundle, then we can add over here. So simply go to the metafields. Okay, let me save this. If I go here in bundle component, let me paste that over here, and let's say we are changing the price over here to $100, and the quantity is 2, 3, and this is $300 and the quantity is 2, and this is $150 and quantity is 5, and this is $200 and the quantity is 4, and you can add as many as you need, and this is 1. Okay, so this is a new bundle. So let's save that, and if I go to the checkout, if I go to the front end and find this product, my new bundle. Okay, so if you go to the product, we don't have an image, so we need to write the image. Before that, let me go down and check what is the total. So I'll copy this and add the total over here like this, and let me upload the image. I will use the same image so our layout is better. Save that, and if I reload the page now this bundle has 15 items. Let me clear the cart first, and if I add this bundle into the cart, you will see 15 items into the cart. You can see we have 15 items into the cart. If I go to the checkout, so now you can see 15 items in the cart, and the total price is $2,650, and you can make as many bundle as you need for every product. You can make so many bundles, so it's up to you. You just simply have to change the JSON. You can change their variant ID and the product handle and the prices and the quantity, and you can make as many as you need. So this is how you can make them by using Shopify Cart Transform function. It's very easy and very useful. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.